If you're a fan of this channel and you have learned from me, thank you for subscribing and sharing. And for those of you new, please consider subscribing because today I'm going to talk about how I turn these pages. This is called the AirTurn BT200. All you need to remember is this name, AirTurn. The AirTurn is modular, meaning it comes apart into pieces. I have owned the Cicada, I have earned the page flip, I have owned lots of different ones. It is important that you understand, as a working musician, as a teacher, you need to have a pedal that's going to fully support you, and in the event of breakage, you can easily swap parts out. There's another benefit of the BT200. Again, I don't get promoted for any of this stuff, I just think they're wonderful products. The fact that this is really quiet. So I'm going to put it right next to my microphone here, really close to it. And if you look, it's a solid piece of plastic. There's no contact. And it's absolutely quiet. It's essential if you are doing recording. And here on the channel, I'm doing covers. It needs to be very quiet in the studio. And I don't need a click thing, which some of those go click, click. Perfectly silent. I discovered this about 6 years ago. Yet, parts break. Now here's the benefit of having something that's modular. This middle piece broke. If I had one of those all-inclusive bits, I would have to buy a whole new entire unit. Instead, I purchased only this. This was the old unit right here that broke. You can see it's the old one with the old connections. And it swapped right in. Now this is the older model. Again, it's called the AirTurn Duo because this is what it really looks like today. Same, as you see, very similar. It's just they call it the Digit because it's a single handheld thing. But this is what it is. The wires are now recessed. It has mini USB. And I'm happy to recommend that if you want to go digital, get a tablet of your choice. But when it comes to Bluetooth pedals for the working musician, the working modern teacher online, there's only one solution. So if you're thinking about a gift for a student or a teacher or a friend or your teacher in the foreseeable future, and you want to stop touching your iPad screen, your tablet screen, a Bluetooth pedal like this from AirTurn is your only worry. Get it. I hope you learned something today. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, along our journey of music discovery, bye-bye. Look at that thing. Like, you know it works? It always works. The thing's a beast.